Welcome, in front of me Hoover H-Purifier 300, and now I'm going to show you how to remove the filter from this device. So firstly you need to open the cover. So on the cover we have this place to open it, so you just need to pull it and open the cover. And here we have our filter, as you can see. And here we have this yellow button, and we need to pull it to the unlock side. As you can see, here I have the sign that to unlock I need to move it right. So move it right and just drag it. Cool, I have removed my filter and now I can change it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.